Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my mid-year melts, empties, for the last half of the year. I did this in July, June or July of 2018, and I went ahead and I was gonna go, I didn't want to hold on to them for a year because I think I had, why does my voice always get like that? I think I had a lot at the time and I was just like, holy crap, if I wait for an entire year, it's gonna be a lot. Which actually, in retrospect, if I had known that I was gonna like slow down on my melting in September through like December, or actually no, September through January, then I would have known that it probably would have been fine. Okay, so this is gonna be Rosegirls and Scoopable Tart Wax mixed, since STW is no longer, and they have some of the same blends, so it just doesn't really matter. And so I did order from quite a few of the pre-orders from Rosegirls this year. I did order quite a few. I did do quite a few of the STW restocks. So let's go ahead and let's just get into that. So Americana Marshmallow Smoothie. Everyone loves this blend. I love this blend. Monster Cookie, Blackberry Jam, Butter Cookie, Marshmallow Smoothie. I really love Monster Cookie. Then mix it with Blackberry Jam, Butter Cookie, and then Marshmallow Smoothie, which I love as well, and you have a definite winner. Oh, this one is just so good to me. I love anything with the Americana type blend going on, so that was a winner. Next one I have is Soothing Lavender Dreams. This is another great one. This is baked zucchini bread, sweet lavender marshmallow smoothie, but I find that I can overdo it on this one quite a bit, so I kind of need to back off this one a little bit. I feel like I have it. Oh gosh, it's so good though, but I feel like I overdid it because I was warming it like every night for a while. Oh, if you like lavender and you kind of have to like zucchini bread, because I feel like it does come through. But if you like lavender, I would give this one a try just to see if you like it or not, because you can get that lavender pretty strongly, but the other notes just kind of like take it down a notch. Blackberry Mocha Squares. I think I bought this one again from Jenny. Blackberry Jam, Butter Cookies, Vanilla Hazelnut Mocha, and Pie Crust. There's something about this one that I really like. It's kind of, let's see, it's kind of like a dark blackberry scent to me. Like, it's not Blackberry Jam, Butter Cookies, like the full sweetness of it. To me, it's a little bit darker. It's like a dark blackberry. And then maybe it's the mocha that makes it kind of like a dark scent. Maybe you guys don't know what I mean by dark, but I feel like the blackberry is not like the sweet blackberry, or I don't know. I feel like it's more mocha blackberry, which sounds like kind of like a weird combination, doesn't it, now that you think about it? Like, would you ever put blackberry in like your mocha? I don't know. I like that one though. And then Peppermint Coconut Mallow. This is another good one. Gilligan's Brew Marshmallow Smoothie and Peppermint. Her peppermint is one of my favorites. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love her peppermint scent. And then Gilligan's Brew and Marshmallow Smoothie as well. So you put those all together and you've got something really nice. But I could do her peppermint with just about anything, I think. And then we have Luke's Diner, which is Absolute Coffee, Vanilla Crunch Donuts, Pancakes, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Now this sounds like a great blend, but this was not doing it for me. I don't know what it was about this one. I had a better description in my, like when I actually melted it, like the week that I melted it. To me, it smells a lot like Sassy Girl Aroma's IHOP. This one to me is just a little bit, I don't know, I just didn't love it. It wasn't my favorite. But it's along the lines of IHOP, but I do like IHOP a little bit better, I think. So if you're curious about that. October's, this one was really pretty. This is Lavender's Apples and Oak and Snow White's Honey Crisp Apple, which is Macintosh Madness and Green Apple. So obviously, as I've said before, I don't love apple scent. So I think I did like this one though. Yeah, this one is really a very pretty scent. You do get the apple, but to me, it's kind of toned down a little bit. It's not, I don't know, it's weird how it's not overly apple, but I think it's maybe that apples and oak. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's raining really hard. So I'd love to know in the comments who else is watching the Marie Kondo thing on Netflix now, and who else is like totally like going through their house and dumping crap like crazy. I'm curious to know, because now everyone, it seems like everyone, people that like I know in my real life that I didn't think would ever like get into that at all, are now like talking about it. And I'm just like, this is crazy. This is nuts. It's like so weird how things can just like, you know, like a Netflix series comes out and then all of a sudden people are, we're actually going to Goodwill today or tomorrow. And I'm curious to see like if they say anything like, so are you tidying up? Because I just feel like a lot of people are visiting Goodwill now. Save the drama for your mama. This is pink sugar and monster cookie, I think. I actually really like this one. The pink sugar is tolerable for me in this scent. It almost smells like, you know what? It smells like a donut shop. To me. That's what it smells like. It smells like if you were to walk into a donut shop. That's what I'm smelling in the jar. I need to revisit that one and see if that's what I get, like when I'm warming it. Blueberry Muffin Coffee. This was suggested to me by my friend Angie, Wax Goddess, or now Diabetic Doofus, or no. Diabetic Babe. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, geez, Angie, really? Okay, this was suggested by her, Blueberry Muffin Coffee. I did like this one the first go I had with it, but then the blueberry just got to be a little bit much. It is a really, really pretty scent. I feel like the Blueberry Muffin, though, got stronger in this one as time went on, and it got lost over the coffee, so I was kind of like bummed because I really like coffee scents, and I wanted the blueberry to kind of be like the back note, but it really wasn't. Okay, so these are the bags that I have. I'll just go through them really quick. So my sweet friend Candy, again, she sends me little samples every now and then. Sweet lemon confection, cream cheese frosting, and pie crust. I need to remember this blend to blend it with my mini melters because I'm sure I have all these. But this one I don't remember. So that's why I need to remix it again myself and try it. Lavender peppermint coconut mallow. I do like this scent, but I like peppermint coconut mallow the best. Just because I'm not the biggest fan of lavender. I don't love lavender all the time. Cider Delight and Vanilla Crunch Donuts. This one was really good. I do remember liking this one. I think the Cider Delight is a little different than Cider Lane, I think. Queen of Clean. I can't remember this one, and I'm pretty sure Candy sent this to me, the full muffin. She sent me an entire muffin. No, or maybe did I get this? No, I got this from Candy. Oh, and I just can't remember this one. Sadly, because I don't see Queen of Clean talked about that often. Okay, this one I put Strawberry Mango Peeps Cake. This one was heavy on the mango, so I didn't enjoy it as much as I thought I would. Spearmint Pink Sugar Marshmallow Smoothie. I don't have any notes on that one, but this one I think I did like. I don't love spearmint, but I think in the bathroom this one was fine. I feel like anything can go in the bathroom as long as it's not like heavy florals. Like I feel like I'm going to be fine with it. I finished a mini melter bag in peppermint, of course. I'm pretty sure I have like 2 backups of peppermint because I love using peppermint. Move this down just a little bit. Summer Lovin', did not love this one. Apple Mango Tango Gain in wax is not for me at all. Mixed with marshmallow smoothie, not a winner for me. I finished another, it was a limited edition mini melter bag, Florida Key Lime Cupcakes with cream cheese frosting Peeps Cake. I liked this one. I was really surprised. I did not know if I was going to like this one, but this one was so unique and different. You know, you don't see a lot of key lime in wax. At least I don't feel like I look for that, but that one was really nice. This one was a surprise for me. I did not like this one. Angels Among Us. I got this in a D-stash. This is strawberry shortcake, blackberry jam butter cookie, and saltwater taffy. This just wasn't a hit for me. I don't know why. Maybe if I tried it again, I would like it better, but I just didn't like it. I finished a mini melter bag in marshmallow smoothie. Of course, this one is so easy to mix with everything. If you don't like something, try mixing it with marshmallow smoothie or Gilligan's Brew or even Monster Cookie. Monster Cookie blends well with a lot of things. And coffee. Strawberry shortcake with buttercream frosting. I think I liked this one. Look at how old the bag is. I got this in a D-stash. No idea. I think maybe, oh, okay, maybe it's from 2016, so maybe that's why. But I don't remember if I like this one or not, to be honest. I think it was all right. I don't think I hated it. I don't remember having like an absolute hate for it. All right, and then I finished another mini melter bag and Absolute Coffee. This one, okay, so I like coffee scents. I don't know that I love her Absolute Coffee on its own. I feel like there are a lot better coffee scents out there. Not that there's anything wrong with this one at all. I mean, this is a great coffee scent, but it's just not one that I feel like drawn to. And that's just my opinion. I know a lot of people love that one. One of my favorites, and I remember this one really well, Rhubarb Raspberry Vanilla Bean Scones. This one, oh, if you have not tried rhubarb in wax and you like a fruity, well, I don't even love fruity, but I love rhubarb so much. Okay, can't smell anything in the bag. It's like, it's so weird. The bags, like, even though they have been locked up or whatever, they don't smell like anything. So rhubarb raspberry vanilla bean scones. If you can get a rhubarb scent in anything, I've had a few rhubarbs from vendors, different vendors, and I loved every single one of them. Rhubarb, I love you. Mixed with raspberry and then the vanilla bean scones. I remember loving this so much. If you find that or see that, come across that anywhere, I would definitely recommend that one. It's along the lines of like VCS has a strawberry rhubarb. I think it's like Bob Hope or something like that. That's a great one as well. And then somebody else had a raspberry rhubarb scent. I can't remember. Okay, so that is it. That is my sad little pile of mid-year melts. And thank you, Candy, for helping me come up with a name as well. Candy's a great person. If you don't follow her on Instagram, I think her name is Bathe and Relax. It's either Bath and Relax or Bathe and Relax. I can't remember. She is honestly like the sweetest girl ever. I have become friends with her. Like we text almost, well actually we used to text almost on a daily basis, but since I've kind of been out of wax, we kind of like check in with each other once a week, but it's kind of different because we used to like talk about wax restocks and stuff. And since I'm not really buying, we can't really do that anymore, but we talk about other stuff. So that's cool. I just really like her a lot. She's always been like a really good friend to me. So yeah, that is it. And yeah, if you guys have or want to comment any of your favorite Rosegirl scents below, I do have quite a bit of Rosegirls that I collected this year. So hopefully throughout the new year, you will see some warm reviews coming through. I get a pretty good scent throw from Rosegirls. I've seen some people say they don't get a scent throw at all. I think it's just whatever house you're in, however much wax you're using really makes a big difference as well. So yeah, it just depends. But for me, Rosegirls has always done really well. I'll let you know in the coming year what are duds and what, you know, what did well. But yeah, love Rosegirls. Never had an issue or a problem. And yeah, I feel like I was going to say her website. I was going to talk about her website, but I don't even know what's going on over there because I haven't been paying attention. So yeah, okay, I will talk to you guys later. And if you guys want to comment or chat down below, please go ahead. You guys know I love that. So yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.